Happen, and as the name suggests, a lot of things happen here. Come with me and let's take a look around the venue.
Happen at Jalan Besar is a creative space that is designed for work and play all under one roof to create an unforgettable experience for you and your friends. It can host up to 80 sitting and 100 standing and is equipped with a suite of games and activities to cater to any occasion. From corporate events to intimate, close to the heart events, the cozy ambience of Happen caters to every mood. With a PS4 and Xbox, you will never get bored. Not into video games? There's a pool table, foosball, and darts. Love singing? Unleash your inner pop star and karaoke all the way.
I can't remember the last time I had this much fun, and it's just the beginning. I'll see you guys at the next venue. Yay!